Hi everyone, this is Blingo's channel. My wife's name is Barbara. I'm Ellie, her husband. I'm going to show you my 18th Drapefit. If you don't know what Drapefit is, it's a styling service where you go online, you fill out a style profile, and they pick out 5 outfits and send them to you on demand. Alright, so this is the gray thermal long sleeve shirt from Levi's. Just want to show you up close. The last I remember with thermals was years ago, where they had the ones that you put under your garments, which were, I don't know, horrific, but this is fantastic. This is a great step up from the thermals of the old days. I'm dating myself, yes, but you know. Alright, so I'm just going to show these real quick since I have them out, and then I'll try them on. This is Aeropostale. These are the zipper shorts. Nice and airy for the summer. And you won't lose things when you're working out because they're zippered pockets. So a zipper. And a Hawaiian shirt I promised to show you. Makes me want to go to Hawaii. Been there. They have all these shirts still over there. Okay. Do people wear Hawaiian shirts in Hawaii? I don't know. Yeah, I think they do. You know. This is very impressive. And the Wrangler jeans. But they're long for me, so I won't be trying them on this time. So make this something switched by mistake, but that's not common for Drapefit. They usually right on, spot on. Alright, so I'll be back. I'll try a couple things on, and I won't keep you much longer. Thank you. Alright, so I'm back. If you hear noises, a noise, my dog is in her little carry-along cage, and she's trying to dig to China. She's hilarious. Alright, so this is a Hawaiian shirt. Beautiful shirt. This is how I wear them. I don't close them. Wear them over a graphic tee. These are the shorts that I just showed you. I mean, that's how I would wear it. I'd probably take the shirt out, but either way. Wow, that's a nice shirt. Sorry. I was admiring the shirt, not myself. Okay. Alright, I'll be back with the next shirt. This is her with her haircut and doesn't want to be held. She wouldn't let them do her ears, but I think they look cute. See how she barks for no reason? Okay. And there she is. That's Gracie Ann. Gracie, we're not going to do anything. It's okay. It's okay. Imagine holding Bear up there like that. Alright, so this is the arrow shirt. I'll come up a little closer so you can see the stripes. I don't think Arrow makes anything that doesn't look nice. We have a $25 code in the comments that are going to be pinned in the comments for you to try your first fit box. Let me know if you did try it, or if you liked any of these pieces. I don't want to definitely keep them, but I want to see what you guys had. And don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe if you like fashion lifestyle from my wife. And be blessed. Thank you very much.